easy hummus recipe. In a hot pan, add 1 cup white sesame or til seeds. Roast till they start to pop on a low heat. Add the roasted sesame seed to a food processor jar. Pulse it for a minute. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons vegetable oil. Blend to a paste. Transfer to a jar. Soak 1.5 cups chana or chickpeas overnight. I used 800 ml water. Drain any excess water. Transfer to another vessel. Add 800 ml water. Pressure cook it for 5 whistles in a pressure cooker. While it is pressure cooking, peel and cut 2 beetroots. After the pressure is released, take the chickpeas out. Next, pressure cook the beetroot for 2 whistles and 5 minutes. Separate the chickpeas and the water. Keep aside to cool. Add 2 cups of the cooked chickpeas into a food processor. Add 1 cup of water or aquafaba. Add 1 tablespoon of tahini paste. Add 2 teaspoons freshly ground pepper. Add 1.5 teaspoons salt. Transfer the hummus into a bowl. Add juice of 1 lemon. Add the cooled pressure-cooked beetroots. Add 1 cup of water or aquafaba. Add 1.5 cups of the cooked chickpeas. Add 1 tablespoon prepared tahini. Add 2 teaspoons freshly ground pepper. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Transfer hummus to a bowl. Add juice of 1 lemon. Garnish with fresh coriander. Add any remaining chickpeas as garnish. Enjoy with breadsticks or pita bread. Thank you for watching. And as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications.